Hello, my name is Mariah and I'm from Gerard Cosmetics. Today I'm going to show you some of our most loved and favorite products. I'm going to show you a quick demo and some tips and tricks that I've found to make our products work best for you. So our first product that I'm going to talk to you about is our Mistified. Mistified is a hydrating facial mist. It has a really beautiful light rose scent. It's not too overpowering. It's just the right amount of scent. And the most amazing thing about the Mistified is you can wear it over your makeup. You can wear it just on your skin. It's going to give you that extra dewy effect. My favorite use of the Mistified is just throughout the day. If I'm feeling a little bit warm or I just want to feel a little bit refreshed, I'll just take off the cap, give my face a few sprays, and go about my business. A great tip that you can use Mistified for is when applying highlight. So what I like to do is I take my Mistified, take my favorite highlight brush, I give it a few light pumps, I go in with my highlight, and then I apply. Another tip for Mistified is for beauty blenders. You can use it to dampen your beauty blender when you don't have time to get up, maybe go to a sink, just to kind of save you some time. It works amazing. It will keep your beauty blender hydrated as well as your skin. Another way you can use Mistified is if your skin is feeling dry. I like to put it on the top of my hands throughout the day. You can just massage it in your skin. You can put it on your chest. You can put it on your shoulders. For some of my little bit older ladies, if you're having a hot flash, it works amazing to cool you down. So there are many uses for Mistified, from makeup to non-makeup. It's a hydrating facial mist, light rose scent. You can't go wrong. Everyone will love it. For days when my skin is feeling a little bit dry after I apply my makeup, if I want that very dewy, fresh look, I'll go in with my Mistified, give my face a really light spray, let it soak in, and then I'm good to go. It will keep you looking dewy and radiant for hours while keeping your makeup fresh. Another product that I'm going to talk to you about is our Slay All Day Setting Spray. Now, if you know of the brand or if you're new to the brand, this is going to be a standout product. It's one of my all-time favorite products. The setting spray works, and the best part, it comes in a variety of scents for everyone. If you like scents a little bit more on the soft side, we have those. If you like a strong coconut, we have that as well. Now with our setting spray, the directions say, spray before or after your makeup application to keep your face fresh and flawless. Keeps the skin matte and increases the wear time of your makeup. Now me personally, I have very combination skin. I tend to get oily and I tend to get dry. The Slay All Day does not dry out my skin, but it also keeps the area where I get very oily in my T-zone very matte as well. With the right makeup application, when you use our setting spray to lock in your makeup, it will not budge, it will stay on all day. Your makeup will not look cakey and it won't dry out your skin. One of my favorite tips for using our Slay All Day spray is using it on my beauty blender. I feel that when I give my beauty blender a few light sprays, it really helps when I pack my concealer in for under eye, or even when I lightly go in and use my beauty blender for my setting powder. A tip that I have found that works amazing with our Slay All Day setting spray, when I go in and I start my makeup, after I put a primer on, I set my face. After I apply foundation, concealer, bronzer, highlight, I then set my face again. I'll sometimes go in and use my favorite highlight brush, give it a few pumps of this as well, go in with the highlight to really get that shine, and then when I'm done, I spray my face again. So I use a lot of our Slay All Day spray, and again, it does not dry out my skin, it doesn't make my skin oily, and I have the most sensitive skin. Our Slay All Day spray comes in a full size, and it also comes in a mini size, which is amazing to keep in your purse throughout the day if you want a little touch up. This is our rose scent. It smells amazing, instant refreshed feeling. I love our Slay All Day spray. It works, keeps your makeup looking fresh, and I know you'll love it too. Another product that I want to talk to you about is our BB Illumination Cream. I absolutely love this product. It's a BB cream that has a highlight to it. You can use it on your skin alone. You can mix it with your foundation. You can use it with your moisturizer if you want to, mix a little bit in, kind of add that pop to your face. Or you can use it how I like to use it, all over my body for that extra glow. Our BB Plus Illumination Cream is now available in 4 shades, guaranteed to fit any skin tone. When you really want that extra glow, you can use the BB Plus Illumination Cream and apply it to the high points of your face. I like to go in with my Mistified, give my beauty blender a little bit of a mist. The BB Plus has a very creamy, smooth texture, and then I just start applying to the high points of my face. Look at that glow. This is our Brow Bar to Go in the shade Medium to Ebony. This is the shade that I use. It comes with 2 transition shades as well as a brow wax. I like to go in first with the brow wax to tame any brows that need to be laid down, and then I go in with this darker shade for the back of my brow, going into the lighter shade for the front of my brow. Our Brow Bar to Go comes with this wonderful brush. You can use your own brush or you can use this brush. I love this brush. It works amazing when you're filling in your brow. The Brow Bar to Go has light to full coverage, depending on what type of brow you're going for that day. You can use it for very quick kind of fill-ins for any areas that you might be a little sparse in. You can really go in if you want those Instagram brows. Very buildable coverage, very smooth, very creamy, and the best part, it lasts all day. This powder will not come off. Set your face with our Slay All Day spray after applying your brows and you're ready to go. I like to go in with the middle shade right here and just kind of give my brow a little bit of a brush through, fill in any areas that I might have missed, and then I'm ready to go. Those were some of Gerard Cosmetics' most loved products. I hope some of my little tips and tricks that I personally use will help you as well. If you guys have any questions, concerns, always feel free to tweet us at Gerard Cosmetics, hit us up on Instagram at Gerard Cosmetics, Snapchat at Gerard Cosmetics, and Facebook at Gerard Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to see how you use your products.